No, what are you doing out here? Oh my God. I didn't realize it was so windy. Look at these. Pick that up over there. Stuff is flying around. Oh, yeah. Good night in the day. Oh, you know why? This is from the African dust storm. Remember the African dust storm that's coming? You told me about yesterday. The sandstorm. Boy. Oh my God. Okay, I have to go back inside. Hurry up! Come on, we gotta go inside. Come on, hurry before the wind comes back. We got about 30 seconds probably. That one flew too? No, that one didn't go anywhere. Oh, maybe that one has something in it. Let's see.
It did go one time, but
Oh, that one has something in it. We need to put something in it. Ah! Here it comes. I feel it. I'm nervous. All right, go put it back. Go, hurry. Hurry. Oh my God. Oh my God. Jordan, what's up? Jordan, you fell. You ready? Come on. It is. I'm flying across the highway. Ah! Fred! Stop it! It's not even falling that way. The wind is coming this way. You falling. Oh, no, you're right. I'm wrong. You're right. All right. You're right. Y'all crazy. I'm out. Go put that trash away.
Thank you for watching. Bye.